So what I've done here is I'm level right around, like so. See that bubble? I hope so. It's level right around and it's falling heaps. You come right out to your outside point with the straight edge. Now that's falling a good 10 mil. You wouldn't in a million years get water falling back to your wall like I've seen in some showers on the Gold Coast, and I'm sure it happens everywhere. I used to give it a little bit less fall when I didn't do splits, but I split my tiles these days because everyone is wanting more fall these days, so you go with the flow and just split your tile. This is Chriso signing off. I'll be back in a few days time to waterproof and I'll be into it. See you soon. Stay tuned to my channel. Learn heaps. You will subscribe and you're home and hose. See ya.